My journey into minimalism may have actually started with personal care products. As a man, the default assumption is that we need far less stuff than women when it comes to personal care. And I think that that's true. But there are still a lot of options in grooming accessories marketed to men. For me, my minimalist personal care products are to be few in number, few in ingredients, and have minimalist packaging. When packing for a trip, I can easily collect all that I need in one bag and I'm ready to go. To start my list of minimalist personal care products, let's begin up top with shampoo and conditioner. I use Plain Products shampoo and conditioner, rosemary mint vanilla. I was introduced to this by my wife, who I share this shampoo and conditioner with. If it was just me using it, the bottles would probably last years. I've tried shampoo bars, but never found one that I like, but I really like Plain Product shampoo because they're made of biodegradable ingredients, sulfate-free, palm oil-free, and they come in these lovely, reusable, and refillable bottles. When you need more shampoo and conditioner, they'll mail you a new bottle, and you can mail back your empty metal bottle. No plastic waste. For washing my body, I use bar soap. Currently, I'm using Good Bar Soap from Whole Foods, also available on Amazon. It's organic, contains unrefined shea butter, and orangutan-safe West African palm oil. Reminds me of the soap that I used to make while Peace Corps volunteer in Burkina Faso. But I switch my soap up a lot, getting really any bulk soap that's package free. If you have a soap recommendation, feel free to leave it in a comment down below, along with any recommendations for the personal care products that you use. Always interested to know what other people are using. After washing, if I want to replenish some of the oils that I've stripped away, I use coconut oil. I use coconut oil for my skin, for my hair, for my beard, pretty much anything. Yes, I do smell like a pina colada for a little bit, but there are worse things. For toothpaste, I use Tom's toothpaste, or often go with a generic toothpaste from the grocery store that seems to be exactly the same stuff. I've tried tooth powder and those little tooth tablets in an attempt to remove more packaging from my life, but never found one that I liked. For many years, I've been using a bamboo toothbrush. I was drawn to them because they were plastic free, they would break down and biodegradable, but the problem is if you throw them in a landfill, they still have a problem breaking down. But after the insistent request of my dentist, I switched to an electric toothbrush to help remove plaque a little bit better. I went with the Oral-B Pro 1000, which was recommended by Wirecutter online, and I can definitely say that my mouth is left feeling cleaner with an electric toothbrush. The one thing I dislike about this electric toothbrush is the charger. I really wish that it just had a basic USB-C charger, so if I was traveling, I didn't have to carry around this one-use big blocky charger for my toothbrush. I have some silk compostable floss. It's plastic free, biodegradable. It's great, but while I might lie to my dentist when I tell them that I'm regularly flossing, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I rarely floss. When it comes to natural deodorants, I think I've tried them all, but By Humankind is my favorite, hands down, and is actually a recent addition into my personal care routine. I use the eucalyptus, and it's apparently scientifically proven to eliminate BO-causing bacteria 40% more than other natural deodorants, and I can definitely tell. It is refillable to reduce on plastic waste, and since I purchased the deodorant, they actually have a new version that is all in cardboard, which you can compost if you don't want the plastic container. But since I already have it, I will continue to use that version. My hair product of choice is a hair pomade from Badger. It has all natural ingredients that I can easily understand where they come from, and pretty sure you could eat it if you wanted to, but I don't think they recommend it. I own a comb, a Kent handmade fine tooth comb, but I rarely use it on my hair. I find that my hands are good enough. I do sometimes use it on my beard, and when cutting my own hair. For managing my beard, I have been using a safety razor for more than a decade. This razor is an old 1950s, maybe 1960s Gillette safety razor that I restored, and I absolutely love it, but you can buy new ones for around $40. I use feathered double edge razor blades, which are absolutely great, by far the best blades that I've found, and over the past decade I have spent less than $50 in razor blades, so that's 10 cents a week. Way better than any Dollar Shave Club. To lather up while shaving, I have a antique mug and a brush. I have a puck of shave soap from Badger sitting in the bottom, and I just wet the brush, move it around, build up a nice little lather, and then I am good to go. Nice and easy. For trimming down my beard or removing some stubble when I've let it go a little too long, I use a wall electric hair clipper. I also use this to cut my own hair. It came with a whole bunch of attachments, but I really only use about 4 of the guards. Everything else is just there. No point getting rid of it. Maybe one day I'll open up an underground barber shop and use them, but that's probably not going to happen. And to round out my other personal care products and accessories, I have a little camp mirror that I use when I'm shaving the back of my neck, for tweezing my eyebrows. Going with that, a pair of tweezers, a small mustache comb, which I rarely use, a pair of scissors, and fingernail clippers. I have one pair of clippers that I use both for my fingernails and my toenails. And that's about it. That's all I really need. I do have a little container of solid cologne, but I use that maybe a few times a year, so it's gonna last me forever. Do you have a minimalist personal care product routine of your own? I'd love to hear about it. Again, if you have any recommendations for products with less packaging, better ingredients, please let me know down below, as I'm always looking to simplify and clean up my life. Thank you very much for watching, and if you're interested in more minimalist videos, check out 2 of these videos. See you later. Bye.